Okay, okay.
Oh, I built a great big green snowman. Santa, did I do a good job?
Your wonderful snowman is almost complete.
Okay. And how about my tree? Can you put a red star on it?
Oh, your tree has a red star on it now.
Oh, then look at how good my green snowman looks.
I'm alive. I'm a real snowman.
He came alive.
Your snowman has finally came alive. Yes.
What are you guys on anyway? What time is it? I gotta go to sleep.
Cut the snowman's head off.
Before he breaks in half.
It's way past my bedtime.
Oh, it's the evil gingerbread. No, evil. No, go away. Don't hurt my poor snowman. No, evil gingerbread. Please go away.
Why did I show up for the... What happened to my body?
My head is melting.
Hold on.
I'm melting. The wicked witch of the west.
Like, what happened in my head?
The wicked witch of the west is melting.
Oh,
My favorite soap opera is General Hospital.
Santa, get in there. Save us all. And Santa comes and saves us all.
I used to be a nurse's aide.
Santa saves the day. Santa is the savior. And Santa is the savior. And
There's only one left.
oh my god.
Oh, push end.
Well, everybody died. Except Santa.
I'm at with